Hey guys, ever wondered if these lips are for real? Well, yes they are. Yes they are. And it also includes a lot of lip injections, lip fillers, which I personally don't prefer. I don't think it's healthy, it's my personal opinion. So how do I achieve those wonderful lush lips without fillers and lip injections? It is simple, through makeup. Duh. It is very easy, very simple. You can achieve it in just 1 minute. You don't need lip fillers, lip injections. You can just fake big lips. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, take any matte lip pencil. So this one is from Studio West. I'm going to line my lips the way I do. The only difference is I'm going to extend it a couple of centimeters. So here we go. Don't overdo it. It does not look good. Just overline your lips a couple of centimeters. Not even a couple of centimeters actually. Just overline it a little bit. Do you see how high I went up there? That's my Cupid bow. It already gives a very full effect. As you go down, just connect with the natural lip line. Don't overline this portion. Do you see how full it already looks? Overline just a little bit. Oh my gosh, it already looks like I have lip fillers. Whenever I overline my lips, I don't use any glossy lipstick, because when I use any glossy lipstick, I noticed that this portion, like the Cupid's bow, the light actually reflects through the gloss. So it does not actually look very real. So whenever I am overlining my lips, I always use matte lipsticks. So I'm going to fill my lips with the same lip liner. Now I'm going to use a matte lipstick, and this one is Miss Claire. And if you just put another lipstick just in the middle, your lips will look even more fuller. So this one right now is looking a little bit glossy. I'm just going to let it set and dry. So it already looks super big. I'm going to add a little highlighter on top of my lips so that it looks fuller. Just in the center. So we reached the end of the video, and it was super quick and super easy. I'm going to be back with another video, and it's just going to tell you another thing. It's really important. What was that thing? Oh yes, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. Please give me a thumbs up and share and comment. Try it out and tell me in the comment section if it worked for you. Don't forget to watch my other videos. I think I'm gonna do some Eid makeup tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you're interested. I don't think there's anything else I want to say. Okay guys, I'm done. See you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Okay guys, I was also thinking of doing some other videos. Okay guys, I was also thinking of doing some other... No! Let me finish. Bye. Okay, no, bye.